Hello everyone. Previously we had discussed about the advanced script loading, nothing but the defer versus async, right? So today we'll be discussing about the understanding shadowing and variable scoping issues. So variable shadowing occurs when a local variable with the same name as a global variable hides the latter, leading to the potential bugs, right? So again I'm telling variable shadowing occurs when a local variable with the same name as the global variable hides the latter, so leading to the potential bugs. So let's see with the example variable shadowing. The second example, let's go with how to prevent the shadowing with const, or how to prevent shadowing by making use of const, right? Initially, let's see how to what is variable shadowing, right? So I'll quickly come here. Let me consider variable x and assign numerical value 10. So let me quickly create function here, test. So here what I'll do, let me give x equals 20, and also let me log x quickly here. So let me come out of the function and let me call the function name here, nothing but test. After this, let me log here this one x, right? So what is the output that we need to get here? So we have to get the output 20, but here I have to get the output 10, right? Because this one is the global variable I have called outside the function, and this is within the function scope. And within first whatever I have logged here, console log of x, the output I need to get here is 20. Basically this one has to be 20, and this one whatever I have given, this one has to be 10, right? Let's try running the code. Basically 20 and 10 are what we are getting now. So what is variable shadowing here? Basically shadowing nothing but local x hides the variable global x in the test. This one local x within the function what I have called here, this one local x basically hides the global x. Global x nothing but we have called this one globally, right? Let x equals 10. This one local x basically hides the global x in test, and the scope isolation global x remains unchanged. Global x, this one remains unchanged, right? So now we know the concept of variable shadowing, and let's try to see how to prevent the shadowing by making use of the const, right? So here the same example let's consider. So I'll just give here, instead of the let me make use of const. Let me give here const itself, right? So if I try to run the code, this one we get the same output, but what is the difference here? Why we have made use of the const instead of the let? Let's try to understand the same thing here. This concept is simple. Here const usage, why we are making use of const? Because it explicitly defines local and global scope, and also the concept of immutability we already know. It reduces the risk of unintended overrides. So here what is the advantage of making use of const here is, so const explicitly defines the local and global storage. Again I'm telling, this is very important. This might be asked in the interviews as well, right? So const here explicitly defines local and global scope, and also we already know the concept of immutability. It reduces the risk of unintended overrides. So now we clearly have the idea of this one shadowing, right? And also the variable scoping issues. So now I hope the concept of understanding the shadowing and the variable scoping issues is completely clear. Next we will be discussing on the JavaScript functional reactive programming. We have already discussed about the reactive programming. Now we will go with the JavaScript functional reactive programming. For now, this is it. Thanks for watching, guys.